Did NASA try to hide something from us? On a seemingly ordinary day, a startling image appeared in a public astronomy database. It was captured by a powerful telescope system. The picture showed long, mysterious streaks of light. They seemed to stretch across a vast expanse of space. Almost as quickly as it appeared, the data was pulled from public view. The sudden removal sparked intense speculation online. People began asking urgent questions. What was this strange object? Why was the data taken down so abruptly? The event centered around an object designated 31/Atlas. Was it something extraordinary? Or a ghost in the machine? Amateurs spotted it first, and then it vanished. The image that captured everyone's attention was truly unusual. It displayed a series of long, straight lines of light, almost parallel. They cut across the star field in a way that looked unnatural. It wasn't a familiar comet, asteroid, or nebula. The object's appearance was so peculiar it immediately stood out. If the structure were real and nearby, the implied scale would be enormous. Across frames, the source appeared to move, ruling out a single sensor flaw. Not a dead pixel, not a scratch. Screenshots spread, and online sleuths enhanced and overlaid frames. In minutes, hopes, fears, and theories flooded the web. Both amateurs and professionals took notice. The question wasn't if something was there, but what? To understand the story, start with the name, 31/Atlas. 31 indicates a periodic comet with a confirmed orbit. A periodic comet is like a cosmic boomerang. Atlas is a NASA-funded University of Hawaii network scanning the sky. It repeatedly scans, and automation flags motion and change. 31/Atlas first behaved like a typical faint comet. Comets are dirty snowballs of ice, rock, and dust. Sunlight heats them, creating a glowing coma and a tail. Then, something unexpected. The comet fragmented. Debris continued along the path, spreading out over time. After breakup came the strange linear images. And that's what the internet saw, before it disappeared. The sudden disappearance turned curiosity into controversy. Archives like NASA's PDS are meant to be permanent records. Researchers, students, and the public rely on them. Removal signals something is wrong, but not why. In reality, removal usually means recheck the calibration. Data pipelines remove sensor noise and atmospheric effects.
A spokesperson, temporarily removed to re-examine and ensure accuracy. Standard procedure.
Unusual observations demand: first, question the data. Science moves cautiously. The internet wants answers now. Pulling data was responsibility, not censorship. Rule out the ordinary before the extraordinary. Verification takes time. Telescopes are complex. Code, cameras, motors, storage. Small bugs can create bizarre, misleading results. Shutter timing glitches can imprint linear artifacts. Tracking issues distort stars, especially on faint movers. Crosstalk can send signal into adjacent pixel rows or columns. Perfect straight lines can be electronic, not astronomical. Observatories keep catalogs of instrument signatures. Artifacts are real, documented, and sometimes dramatic.
We're investigating whether a detector readout effect caused the features.
Teams run hardware tests, review logs, and try to reproduce it. In imaging, the simplest explanation is often a glitch. Beyond hardware, processing can create artifacts. Raw data is messy. Pipelines clean and combine exposures. Errors in any step can draw false patterns. Stacking for moving sources requires precise alignment. Misestimates in speed or direction can smear into lines. Algorithms tuned for point sources can fail on diffuse fragments. Scientists rerun pipelines, change parameters, compare outputs. If lines only appear after stacking, that's strong evidence. Skeptical, careful workflows protect the record. Know the tool's quirks before claiming new phenomena. Sometimes the universe on screen is just the software. What if the streaks were real, but misunderstood? Comet 31/Atlas broke apart. Breakup releases vast dust sheets and fragments. From our angle, thin sheets can look like straight bands. Like sunbeams in a dusty room, geometry makes lines. Parallel streaks can be separate debris waves. Comet tails often grow complex, including narrow striae. Known physics under rare conditions can explain the image. Simulations can match the observed morphology. Right place, right time. A comet's death caught on camera. A rare, valuable data point on how comets die. Real and surprising. Sensational claims followed the 31/Atlas image. Alien megastructure? There is zero evidence. It lay on a comet's known path. Natural is far more probable. Cover-up? Temporary removal is quality control. A conspiracy would require silence across many institutions. Secret craft? The object followed a heliocentric comet orbit. Verification. Check instruments. Seek independent data. Peer review. If others see it, it's real. If not, it's an artifact. Only then does an explanation become scientific fact. Extraordinary claims need extraordinary evidence. This isn't a story about aliens or conspiracies. It's the scientific process. Open, debated, improved. Temporary removal showed commitment to accuracy. The universe already holds wonders beyond fiction. Breakthroughs rest on careful verification. Misleading images teach critical thinking. Curiosity is the start. Evidence is the path. Explore the Atlas Project and NASA's planetary data system. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep measuring the mysteries.